Hey everyone, I hope you had a lovely holiday weekend. I hope you had lots of good food, spent time with people you love, and now we're gonna do something that I love, which is hauling clothes, trying them on, and talking about them with you. So to make it easy for you to follow along, I will have numbered all the outfits somewhere on the screen, and then in the description box and pinned to the top of the comments are the coordinating outfits in the order in which I am describing them here. I have also put my current measurements at the top of that, and I do that because this is online shopping and I'm trying to help you avoid the headache of having to return something or just that general frustration. So if you know my measurements and see my sizes, that can help you better gauge how things are going to fit on you. So let's start with the Maurices portion of this haul. So let's start with this plaid flannel shirt. I love the bright green. I should say one of the things I love about Maurices, aside from the fact that it's incredibly affordable, and I'm pretty sure they're having their Black Friday sale continuing on, so everything is 35% off, hopefully, if you're watching this the day this go live. But their sizing is consistent. So I am pretty consistently a size small across the board, so you can see how this plaid shirt fits. I purposely didn't go up a size to have it as a more oversized fit because my plan was to wear it underneath the striped sweater that you see me draping over my shoulders. I just felt very constricted in it. Maybe I needed to have sized up to have a bigger sweater, but that classic preppy look with the sweater over the collared shirt, it just makes me feel like I'm choking. So I decided to just throw the sweater over my shoulders and do that kind of preppy look. The sweater on its own is incredible. It has a chenille feel to it, and I love the colors. I love that thin stripe of bright green throughout. And then onto the jeans. I love a boot cut, wearing a lot of boots and boot styles this time of year, but this is a slimmer boot cut. It is a high rise, and I went for the curvy fit because I have more of an hourglass shape, and that's something I love about Maurices. This is not sponsored, but I do love their jeans because they come in a lot of different styles, silhouettes, high rise, mid rise, even some low rise, which I do not personally care for, extended sizing, and even different inseam lengths. So you're gonna find something that will fit you perfectly, and for me, it is their curvy fit, and I love this slim boot cut. I have these in a short inseam length. And then speaking of boots, I am wearing these kind of unique, almost like a wedge heel Chelsea boot style. They do have a zip up the side, but they have the rubber sole. They're really comfortable, and they're just a little bit of a fun twist on the traditional Chelsea boot that we've been seeing everywhere this season. Outfit number 2 has a whole lot of color going on. Let's start with the sweater, which does come in quite a few colors. And I chose this blue to bring up the blue in the bright plaid blanket scarf that you're seeing. It is the most amazing accessory, probably the accessory of the season. And I think it's on sale for $10. Full price, I believe it's just under $25, but it is a fantastic buy. It would make a great gift. And all those colors, it's gonna coordinate with pretty much everything you have in your closet. The Dolman sweater has a very subtle cable knit going just across horizontally right here. Very, very subtle. This is a very lightweight sweater. So if you live somewhere warm or you get hot really easily, I think this is a really great buy. And it also layers under things as well. So if you want a layered look without getting overheated, love this Dolman sweater. Wearing the same pair of jeans that you saw in outfit number 1, but this time I went with, these are ankle boot cowboy boots, Western style. Very comfortable and a really good price. Outfit number 3, we're still with Maurices. This sweater. Now, obviously the stars and the tinsel makes you think holiday, but it doesn't have to be. I plan on wearing this throughout the winter season. I will say that you can unbutton it and wear it like a true cardigan. If you're gonna wear it closed like I'm wearing, I would recommend maybe sizing down 1. I'm wearing it here in a small, and it's fine without a shirt underneath it, but I feel like I'd probably be more comfortable and not worrying about something slipping too low if I had sized down 1. I think it is a very generous fit. I love the tinsel stars on the front. They're not the scratchy kind of tinsel though. Everything is very, very soft. And then I decided to do color on the bottom half, which I rarely do. These are a high rise, a flare jean in the short length. And I do like this color. The warm tones really kind of bring out the warmth and the gold in the sweater, and I can see wearing this with a lot of other options as well. I think it would look really good actually with just a solid black top. And then the shoes I'm really excited about. These are a square toe platform boot. They go up on the ankle just a little bit higher than your typical ankle boots. Normally not a big fan of the square toe, but these aren't an exaggerated square toe. I think they're more of a softer, more wearable look, and they're really comfortable, and I love the added height. Moving on to outfit number 4, and mostly Banana Republic factory now. I am wearing a ribbed knit polo tee, they're calling it. This reminds me of the linen version and short sleeve version that I love wearing in the spring and summer. This is not linen, and it's really not a tee. To me, the fabric feels like a very, very fine gauge knit sweater. They're calling it a t-shirt. I think it's like the most fine gauge sweater I've ever worn. It's a slimmer fit, but I wouldn't say that you should size up. Just go with your true size. I'm wearing it in a size small, and it does come in quite a few colors. And if I'm remembering correctly, Banana Republic Factory is also having a pretty huge sale right now. I am pre-filming this so that I can spend time with my family, but last time I checked, it was 60% off and then another 15% off site-wide. And I'm wearing the polo sweater or tee or whatever they're calling it with these high-rise slim corduroy pants. And the key here is slim, not straight. They're not skin tight like a skinny pant. They're slim, so they are a little more body conscious. They just kind of skim the body instead of sucking your body in. I am, I believe, wearing these in the petite length. I will for sure list down in the description box what the length is. I love these. I love that it's high rise enough that it kind of sucks in all the jiggly bits towards the bottom of my torso, but it's not super tight, and I love the color options. Outfit number 5. I am always honest with you. I will tell you when I love something. I will tell you not so much. So this is an oversized turtleneck sweater, and because it was oversized and sometimes BRF stuff can run really big, I sized it down to an extra small, and I think it's fine. I think if I had gone with my regular size small, then it would have been long enough to wear with leggings, so maybe I missed out on that. But what I don't love about this is it feels like a traditional wool sweater, which is not necessarily a negative thing. It's not that it's super scratchy, but it's enough of a wool feeling that I am aware I am wearing the sweater. Now, I have chosen to wear it with nothing on underneath it. I didn't layer anything under it. I think if you did that, you would be fine. I know a lot of you love the feeling of wool and you will love this. I just know that there are also a lot of you watching that have sensitive skin, and I'm not gonna say that it's scratchy, but I'm just saying I'm aware that I'm wearing the sweater, if that makes any sense. Now, there is some debate on these turtleneck sweaters, whether to wear the collar rolled out or to tuck it in. I have shown you doing it both ways. I learned how to, I know how to do it, but I first saw someone rolling it under, like towards you, when I started following Mary ORTON over on Instagram. If you're not watching her, she is hilarious. She's mostly a fashion influencer on Instagram, but her sense of humor is exquisite, really dry, very sarcastic, and she is hilarious. I will link her Instagram below. I have shown you with the Mary ORTON school of rolling, and then the other way. I'm curious which way you roll your turtleneck collars. That is hard to say. Anyway, I paired it with my favorite Tencel cargo joggers. This color green was sold out for a while. It is back, and it looks like they have extended the range, and I would say it runs true to size. Moving on to outfit number 6, I love this wide rib neck, V-neck sweater. I think the color is beautiful, although if you don't love this color, it comes in a lot of other ones. And what I also love is it has these little slits at the wrist. It just makes the movement easier. You could also roll it up if you wanted to. Wearing it in a size small, but I don't know. I know it's technically a basic sweater, but just the way it's cut and that big ribbed neckline, I really, really like it. I'm wearing them with these high-rise cargo pants. Once I put them on with the boots, I actually liked the look. I felt like it really made my legs look long. I know for some of you, these pants will drive you crazy. I'm kind of on the fence. The fabric is a thicker, more like a twill, so you do have to steam or iron them. And they are almost a cropped length. So unless you're really, really petite, I would recommend not getting, by really, really petite, I mean like 4'10". Otherwise, I would have preferred to actually order them in the taller length just to get a little more leg on them. But if you have shorter legs or you are really petite and you're looking for that sort of length, I think you're gonna absolutely love these. And I believe they come in a few other colors as well. Now, this pair of pants in outfit number 7, hands down my favorite purchase possibly of the month. These are incredible. These are vegan suede cargo pants. These run a little bit big. I looked at the sizing to figure out. Normally I'm a size 4 or a size small at Banana Republic Factory. I got these in the size 2 actually. They are amazing. They feel so soft on the skin. They kind of have a flowiness to them. My only regret is they only come in this one color. This is a great color, and they're super easy to wear. I dressed this up. I had a business meeting last week and I wore it with a button-up shirt, actually another rail shirt, and a very nice little tweed blazer from Chico's, if I do say so myself. I felt very professional and grown up in it, but you could also just throw, like I did, this soft black, they're calling it a soft luxe boxy knit tee. Again, when I think of a t-shirt, I feel like it's, like a cotton material. This is more of a fine gauge knit, but let's hop over to the tee since we're talking about it. It's a very interesting piece. The neckline, when you get it from the website, it's very small. You almost kind of have to stretch your head into it, and then it expands a little bit. So it's not a typical crew neck or a V-neck. It's almost like a boat neck that goes like this. It's really cool. Very wide, interesting sleeves. It's just a little bit different. It's a little bit of a step up from a basic long sleeve t-shirt. I absolutely love it. I do not know that I would size down. There is some room in it though, so if you're on the fence between sizes, I would recommend sizing down one. And I also want to point out the ankle boots that I'm wearing here because those are a recent purchase as well. I have been looking for a new pair of boots or booties for this fall season that is that rich brown color, leather, not suede, and goes up the ankle a little bit. And you can see them peeking out of the pants here. They are amazing, run true to size. Definitely recommend. And then the last outfit, are we calling this an outfit? I'm gonna call this is my work from home outfit. These pajamas, so this is the non-budget friendly portion of the video. We're gonna close it out. This is the Print Fresh long sleep set. I have it in blue and green, and then when I got the email that they were having 30% off, I went ahead and ordered this. As you can see in the try-on portion, this is quite big on me. It's the same size as the other ones I had. They're size small, but they are 100% cotton poplin. And the blue and green set that I have has been washed and thrown in the dryer probably dozens of times. And anything that's 100% cotton, it's gonna shrink. So I purposely bought the small knowing that I am not going to treat this with kid gloves. Obviously gonna go in the washing machine, but I'm also not gonna hang it to dry. I'm throwing it in the dryer. So this will shrink to be a little more fitted. I do like my pajamas a little bit more oversized. I don't want to be constricted in my sleep. If you like a more close fit or you have no intention of throwing this in the dryer, I recommend sizing down one in the Print Fresh pajamas. But if you are looking for the ultimate splurge in pajamas, if you are a super hot sleeper, I sleep in these year round. The cotton poplin fabric, it's very crisp. I don't know if you can hear it moving around. It's like sleeping in those crisp, expensive hotel sheets, so you stay cooler. I get hot even in the middle of the winter now. Menopause is fun. So that is my last outfit that I wanted to share with you. Just to remind you, I do have all the details, the sizing, the links, the pricing, all down in the description box and pinned to the top of the comments. I know I went through this rather quickly for some reason, so if I skipped over something, left something out, you have questions about any of the stuff that I just shared, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope that you had a lovely holiday weekend. I am looking forward to diving into December and all of that fun. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of that fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.